Right, guys, in this video, I have a little bit of a different setup today, as you can see, and I'm going to explain how all the different free stuff that I'm offering you and how you can use it. Because many people might not actually know this, and if you haven't been to my website in a while, you probably definitely don't know this. Okay, so free lucid dreaming training apps, help, resources. I'm going to basically explain how it all works and where you can find it. So this is my website, howtolucid.com, as you can see. And I'll just very quickly explain and show you kind of where you can get the different free trainings and stuff like that, because you probably haven't seen it. So, okay, so this is the homepage, as you can see. And at the top, you have this menu, blog, different articles, trainings, resources, store, and then the about and the free training stuff. Okay, so if you click on this red button here that says free training, obviously you'll be able to, you go to a page, you enter your email, and you can get free lucid dreaming training. And it looks like this. You click the button, enter your email, and you go in to the training. But there's much more. Okay, so let me show you. So on the blog, okay, you have all these different, these are the main tutorials and articles that I've spent a lot of time writing. And there's just a few that I wanted to mention here, so I just want to make sure I don't miss anything. So firstly, we have 100 dream meanings, reality checks, inspiration, these are the main ones, and then advanced lucid dreaming, that's quite important, and then obviously how to lucid dreams. Okay, so 101 most common dream meanings. This is basically, there's a little mini training on dream meanings here. You've got literally 100 different dream signs, and if you click on one of them, it jumps to that particular one, and you have all the stuff. Okay, so that's quite a good post. Then you have a reality checks tutorial explaining in lots and lots of detail, as you can see here, all kinds of different things about reality checks, different questions people have, problems people have. That's all here. And then here you have 100 things to do in lucid dreams. So what this basically is, as the name suggests, a list of 100 amazing things you can try in lucid dreams. And if you click on each one, obviously it jumps to that section, explains a bit more about it. There's more detail on some than on others, but it's all there, okay? Next, you have advanced lucid dreaming techniques. This is, again, advanced. So, don't do this if you're a beginner, because you need to learn how to actually lucid dream first. And then obviously the tutorial for, oh, by the way, these little pop-ups thing, I might remove these because they're quite annoying, but basically if you enter your email here, you also get redirected to the same free training that you get if you click the red button. And it only shows up once, by the way. If you actually enter your email, then you will never be shown this again. So for those of you who are thinking why is it opening so many times? It's because I've opened about 6 different tabs. So it thinks each person is a new visitor. So that's why. Anyway, this is how to lucid dream tonight. Very, very detailed, long. This could pretty much be an ebook. This is a really a long article, different questions and things, wake back to bed, all this stuff here. And I've tried to write it in a very easy to understand way. Okay, so that's the articles. Okay, that's the tutorials you can find. There's obviously loads more. I think there's 500 the last time I checked. And you can see if you click all my articles, you can see here. I need to find a better way of organizing these, but they are all there. All right, the next is the resources section. So there's actually quite a few things here I want to show you. Okay, so this is the resources section. This is where I list all of the useful things I find about lucid dreaming. So this redirects to the same free training, lucid dreaming coaching and sleep coaching. The sleep coaching is, I would recommend that to everyone to do first. And then after you've improved your sleep, then you do the lucid dreaming coaching. If you click on those pages, I think they're offering a free session. I can't remember at the moment, but basically, yeah, that's how you can get more information about the sleep coaching. Okay, so these are courses. These are not free, so I won't really talk too much about these, but they are there if you want to learn more about them. Now, my Lucid Dreaming app, I think I put that one here. You may or may not know that I actually made a free Lucid Dreaming app for you guys. It's on Android and iPhone. And I'll just very quickly show you what it looks like on the store so you can see. This is the Google Play Store. This is what it looks like. So you're looking for this little logo here. And if you have iPhone, then it looks like this, pretty similar. And basically, as you can see here, there's different features. The page itself explains all of this. If you go to the app page here, it explains that I made a walkthrough video, how it helps you, how to use it, troubleshooting. If you have the app, explains here on this page how to troubleshoot all the different problems you may have, but you shouldn't have too many problems. Yeah. So basically, it does reality check reminders. So it reminds you several times a day to do reality checks. And it also has a dream journal. There's also tutorials, little videos, sounds, wake back to bed alarms, all kinds of stuff. Right. There's also a few little Easter eggs in there if you want to find them. Okay, so that's the app. What we have here, and again, this is a resources page, and then it's one of these links here, or you on the drop down on the menu, right? Resources, dream supplements. So what this is I have spent excessive amounts of time and money testing various lucid dreaming or sleep supplements. And as you can see here, I think it's about 20 of them. Yeah, there's 20 of them. And if you're in a hurry, just click on the one that you want to learn more about and it jumps you to it. If you're in a rush, here are the top 3, in my opinion. And you can click these links and you'll be able to get them if you want them. And yeah, basically it's just this list of lucid dreaming supplements, and alongside each one I explain a bit more about it, how it works. There's a link to, if you want to learn more about it, for most of them, have written an entire post just about those individual supplements. So, if you want to learn more about it, it's all here. Detailed reviews, best places to get them, etc., etc. This one I think is discontinued, so I might need to update that. I can't remember. You can check obviously when you click the link, but okay. Next is, again in the resources drop down, lucid dreaming masks, top 14. Some of these you don't even know about because they're not that well marketed, but these are my top 14 lucid dreaming masks and devices. So I won't spoil the surprise. Go and check that out. Not all of them you can actually get. There's a couple that it might be a bit tricky for you, depending on where you live, a bit tricky for you to actually get hold of them. But yeah, that is essentially the resources and a lot of the free training that I have made for you guys. Another thing is, if I just go to the YouTube channel, which you're already on, you might not know this actually, but I have let me show you. Let me see here. This is just more free stuff, right? So obviously all of these videos are free because it's YouTube. But if you haven't actually seen my more popular videos, you can obviously see those here. I did make a bunch of playlists. You may not know that. I don't know why there's a diving playlist there. Oh yeah, because I'm logged in, so you can see all my, yeah. Anyway, there's a bunch of playlists there. On the channels page, well, there's also membership, where you can become a YouTube member and get perks. I would not recommend that. And by the way, now this is not so much free, but yeah, I wouldn't recommend becoming a YouTube member unless you want to. I would instead recommend becoming a tribe member. And that is something which, did I link to that yet? Yeah, I haven't actually added it yet, but if you go to howtolucid.com/lucid tribe, it's all one word, that is my membership, the new one. And you can access a whole bunch of different stuff there. Basically, if you search Awakening Alliance, like that, you will find my second channel. And you may not actually know I have this second. I have a lot of channels, and I'll explain them in a second. This second channel, Awakening Alliance, is where I talk about all kinds of stuff that is not related to lucid dreaming. Escaping the matrix, manifestation, spirituality, because really these things all kind of interrelate in my opinion. There's a whole bunch of different stuff here. So yeah, you can definitely find something interesting there, I promise you. And if you click from that channel, if you click on channels, you'll find my other kind of things here. Transcend your limits, let me show you that. So this is basically more kind of life and business advice, biohacking, that kind of thing. I'm going to be posting a bit. I haven't posted in a while there. I will be posting a bit more there soon. Yeah, then that's it. I mean, you can check out these ones as well. These are very good. And that is the free kind of stuff that I'm offering you. You may have known about all of that, you may not. And if you are interested in the not free stuff, I'll very briefly explain where I would start with that. So I have a lot of ebooks and things like that. In my opinion, for the vast majority of beginners, I would just purely recommend going to the main site, howtolucid.com, drop down the store, and just click on the Lucid, the 30-day bootcamp. Because this is, well, firstly, it's the cheapest thing I offer. So if you're just getting started, it's a very good place to start. I think at the time of recording this, it's like $20 or something. And it's also very effective. So if you're a beginner and you just want more reliable lucid dreams, as you can see, this is like some testimonials here. There's a bunch of people saying it gave them their first lucid dream, 2 lucid dreams within a week, a lucid dream on day 3. I mean, I'm not going to, show you all of that, but you can see that on the page. What you actually get is like a printable challenge template with exercises to follow every day. You can follow it in 5 to 8 minutes a day. You get affirmations, a lucid adventure blueprint. You can read all of this on the page, and I would recommend you check it out yourself. But yeah, it's a lot of stuff you get. And $17. At the time of recording this, it's $17, right? And that's, in my opinion, quite a lot of value considering what you actually get. And if you have already got that, or if you want to take it to the next level, I do offer another course, which is my Lucid Breakthrough program. This one's a bit more in depth. So this is more like more of a video course. The bootcamp has videos every day as well, but this is really more of a video course. And this one is a lot more in depth. It goes into exactly how you can do everything, master lucid dreaming, really take it to the next level. So yeah, if you're ready to master it and really go to the next level, then check that out. You can find that if you just go to the store. It's this here, Lucid Breakthrough Program. By the way, some of these links I think are actually in my YouTube description. I can't remember which ones, but I'm sure a lot of them are. Yeah, so that's it for now. I hope you, don't know what you think about this new format of videos where I'm kind of like recording the screen. I've got this little thing going on here. It's new to me, so hopefully, all right. I mean, it means I can use the big mic and kind of go through stuff on screen and show you. Maybe I can do reactions or analyzing different things. I don't know. Who knows where we'll go with this. Yeah, that's it for now.